go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of prefab tiny homes and tips for how to choose the right prefabricated tiny home design for your lifestyle. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of prefab tiny homes. As the tiny house movement continues to gain momentum, these compact, efficient dwellings are becoming increasingly popular. But what exactly are prefab tiny homes, and what makes them so appealing? Let's explore. Prefab tiny homes, as the name suggests, are prefabricated homes designed to be small and efficient. Unlike traditional homes, they are built in a factory and then transported to the desired location for assembly. This process often results in faster construction times and reduced costs. Living in a prefab tiny home offers numerous benefits. First and foremost, they are incredibly affordable, making homeownership accessible to many who might otherwise struggle to afford a traditional home. Additionally, tiny homes have a significantly smaller environmental footprint, as they require fewer resources to build and operate. Moreover, the minimalist lifestyle associated with tiny homes can lead to a simpler, less stressful way of living. The cost of a prefab tiny home can vary widely depending on factors such as size, materials, and customization options. However, they are generally much more affordable than traditional homes. The average cost of a prefab tiny home ranges from $20,000 to $70,000. There are several different types of prefab tiny homes to choose from. Some of the most popular options include: 1. Shell-only tiny homes. These homes come as a bare-bones structure, requiring the owner to complete the interior finishing. 2. Turnkey tiny homes. These homes are fully finished and ready to move into upon delivery. 3. DIY tiny homes. These homes are designed to be built by the owner, often with kits or plans provided by the manufacturer. When choosing a prefab tiny home, it's important to consider your lifestyle, budget, and preferences. Think about how much space you need, what features are essential to you, and where you want to live. It's also a good idea to research different manufacturers and compare their offerings. Here these the collection of 10 best prefab tiny homes design ideas to consider. 1. The modern minimalist. This sleek, contemporary design features clean lines, large windows, and a minimalist interior. Perfect for those who appreciate a modern aesthetic. 2. The rustic retreat. For those who love the outdoors, this rustic-inspired tiny home is a dream come true. With its wood exterior and cozy interior, it's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. 3. The eco-friendly oasis. This sustainable tiny home is designed to minimize its environmental impact. Featuring solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and energy-efficient appliances, it's the perfect choice for eco-conscious individuals. 4. The mobile marvel. This tiny home on wheels is perfect for those who love to travel. With its compact design and easy maneuverability, you can take your home with you anywhere you go. 5. The lofted luxury. This tiny home features a loft bedroom, providing extra space for sleeping or storage. The open-plan layout creates a spacious feel, despite its small size. 6. The tiny farmhouse. This charming tiny home is inspired by traditional farmhouses. With its gabled roof, front porch, and rustic interior, it's the perfect blend of modern convenience and old-world charm. 7. The Scandinavian simplicity. This minimalist design is inspired by Scandinavian aesthetics. Featuring light-colored wood, clean lines, and plenty of natural light, it's a serene and inviting space. 8. The industrial chic. This modern design features exposed brick, metal accents, and industrial-style lighting. Perfect for those who appreciate a raw and edgy aesthetic. 9. The coastal cottage. This charming tiny home is perfect for beach lovers. With its light and airy interior, coastal-inspired decor, and large windows overlooking the water, it's the ultimate seaside retreat. 10. The urban oasis. This tiny home is designed for city living. With its compact size and modern features, it's the perfect solution for those who want to live in a city without sacrificing comfort or style. Prefab tiny homes offer a unique and affordable way to achieve homeownership. Whether you're looking to downsize, reduce your environmental impact, or simply live a simpler life, a tiny home could be the perfect solution for you. Interested in learning more about prefab tiny homes? Be sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos on this topic and other home design trends. Don't forget to like and share this video to help spread the word about tiny house living. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.